alpaca, alpacas. The alpaca has soft wool. Llama, llamas. The llama carries a pack. Peacock, peacock. The peacock shows its feathers. Guinea fowl, guinea fowl. The guinea fowl runs in the yard. Gosling, goslings. The gosling follows the goose. Camel, camels. The camel walks in the desert. Yak, yaks. The yak lives in the mountains. Zebu, zebus. The zebu grazes in the field. Bee, bees. The bee makes honey. Goose flock, goose flocks. The goose flock is in the field.